Join me as I take on the challenge of becoming a profitable trader in just 30 days. Let's see if I can turn my trading skills around before 2025. In this video, you'll learn how to become a profitable trader in just 30 days, setting you on the path to financial independence. Many aspiring traders struggle with a lack of knowledge, discipline, and a solid strategy, leading to frustration and losses. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of making money quickly, but without a clear plan, you're likely to end up in the red. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is diving into the market without a thorough understanding of how it works. They get swept up in the emotions of greed and fear, leading to impulsive decisions that can quickly drain their accounts. This lack of discipline is a major obstacle to overcome, and it's something we'll tackle head-on in this tutorial. Another common pitfall is having a weak strategy that fails to adapt to changing market conditions. This can leave traders feeling lost and uncertain, wondering why their approach isn't yielding the results they want. By the end of this 30-day tutorial, you'll have a solid foundation in place to avoid these common mistakes and set yourself up for long-term success. We'll explore essential trading strategies, risk management techniques, and the critical mindset required to succeed in the trading world. You'll learn how to identify high-probability trades, manage your risk exposure, and develop a winning mindset that keeps you focused and motivated. We'll delve into the world of technical analysis, exploring charts and patterns that can help you make informed trading decisions. You'll also discover the importance of staying adaptable and responsive to changing market conditions, so you can adjust your strategy on the fly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with a comprehensive toolkit that will help you navigate the world of trading with confidence. The turning point will be revealing the exact daily habits and routines you need to adopt over the next 30 days to transform your trading skills. You'll learn how to create a trading schedule that fits your lifestyle, set realistic goals and benchmarks, and develop a morning routine that sets you up for success. We'll cover the importance of staying organized and disciplined, so you can stay on track and avoid costly mistakes. You'll also discover how to review and analyze your trades, so you can identify areas for improvement and optimize your strategy over time. By adopting these daily habits, you'll be amazed at how quickly your trading skills can transform. We'll break down the tutorial into manageable chunks, covering one key topic per day. By the end of the 30 days, you'll have a solid foundation in place, and you'll be confident in your ability to make profitable trades. You'll be thrilled with your progress, and you'll be excited to continue learning and growing as a trader. By following this 30-day tutorial, you'll understand the key principles and practices that can elevate your trading game significantly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out my next video on advanced trading techniques and leave your thoughts in the comments below.